Oh, dang it. I forgot to count again. Hello and welcome to I Can't Say It Day. I don't know. Today is Sunday, June 3rd. And yes, I have pieces of paper here, but I don't have any writing utensils to do math. Wait, there might be something down there. But it doesn't really matter. I'm not going to count it. So the weight today came in okay. But as we all know, Sunday is not the day we weigh ourselves. The day we weigh ourselves to officially track it is Monday. Monday, weigh day. January 1st was a Monday. Weigh day is a Monday. Goal, 264.8. I have been hovering at 265 point something all this week. As you can tell from the sound of my voice that I have a bit of something. What is it? I don't know. It's not quite a cold, it's not quite allergies, it's just a little phlegm, some coughing, and there was sneezing on Friday. But today, very long nap, so that's always helpful. And we shall see what tomorrow brings. So I started thinking to myself, what was the main way that I was actually able to lose weight? So I've been trying to think about it, because I have been losing weight. But the question you got to ask yourself is, upon reflection, what was the key, method that I employed for losing weight? And I don't know that there's a single key method for losing weight. But when I was thinking about it, I was like, I get the feeling that my body would not like to keep the weight on. That it really would like to lose the weight. And in order to do that, you have to burn the fat. You have to take care of the reserves, because fat is just energy reserves. And I have been making every effort to have my body eat away at the reserves, a little bit at a time, not in a lot. I mean, you saw what happened on week 2. Went from 286, and then on June 15th, I was 281.6. I went down 5 pounds. Like, dang, how does a body lose 5 pounds in 2 weeks? And it's because I stopped putting so much stuff into my body. The soda's been completely gone. That's resolution number 1. And the other thing is I've cut out the sugary drinks. The only sugary drinks I think I've even had are, Sonic real fruit slushies. That's it, and I think I've only had 2. But otherwise, no lemonade and no Gatorade. And I was tempted like heck this weekend because it was hot in California. And when it gets really hot and you get really thirsty, you want to satisfy that quench. But I resisted and I stuck with the water, and I'm fine right now. So I really think it has to do with my body wanting to lose the weight. I'm almost going to say it's a mental thing. There's no part of me that says I have to eat and eat and eat and eat. Just because you've ordered a plate full of food doesn't mean you have to finish it. I am a member of the Clean Plate Club, but at the same time, I never order really more than I can eat, that my body needs to eat. I don't ever really eat to the point of being full. Today for breakfast, I ate the hash browns, the scrambled eggs, the linguiça sausage, and some of the biscuits and gravy. Now, we all know that carbs are full of energy, and your body's going to store them, but I didn't finish the biscuits and gravy. There was a time when that was rule number 1, finish what was on your plate. That's not rule number 1 now. Eat enough to last you to the next meal. And if that means that you're dealing with half hour or so of being hungry, got to have a method for dealing with the hunger, and I have chocolate milk. So chocolate milk is what I use to satisfy that hunger. It's protein, it's fat, it's okay. It's not the delicious stuff, it's True Moo. And they stopped carrying the good stuff. I think it's Clover or Creamery, I forget what it's called, but they stopped carrying it at our local store. And so now it's True Moo. So I just drink a little of that just to coat my stomach, so I can make it to the next meal. But never do I allow that hunger to last more than an hour. Never. And if it does, it's only because dinner isn't ready when I get home and we have to wait. But I also have been trying to save fruit, so that I eat fruit on the way home, so that I have something in my stomach when I get home should dinner not quite be ready, which is always fine too, because my wife makes a delicious meal. Whether it's ready or not is not important, but I do think the consistency of eating at certain times during the day is what helps as well. So you got eating so that your body starts to burn it off. And I don't need to lose the weight fast. My objective is 1 pound per week for 52 weeks. So I'm slowly getting there, but I'm not, my body needs to get used to it. So I'm still plugging along, hoping that I'm going to get to 264.8 tomorrow. Will I? I don't know. I've not gotten to 264 point anything yet. The lowest my scale has seen since this has started is 265.2. Yes, that's pretty close to 264.8. So we'll see how eating went today, and I'll let y'all know tomorrow. So with that, I'm going to wish you all a pleasant evening, and stop talking to you about weight loss. I'm really just doing this to sort of think about what it was that I did that helped me. Everybody else's body is different. No idea what's going to work for them, but I'm only telling you one person's perspective on what works for me. And that's it. Don't read any more between the lines about this. All right, with that, have a great tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. Hopefully it'll be a little bit cooler here. And I wish you all a pleasant tomorrow. Bye.